Hi, my name is Lolly and welcome to my channel, Lolly Palooza. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am a paper crafter from way back, even since before kindergarten. And I used to collect all my little craft supplies and do little classes for my neighbor kids. So those were some fun times. And even then I was repurposing items and making them into something else. So I always wanted to be an art teacher, but life took a different course and I did a different field of study in college. But throughout all this time, paper crafting has always been my love. I do follow a lot of other crafting ideas because I have crafting ADD and I get excited about many things. You will see by all of the words that are popping up around my face of the different crafts that are on my channel. So if you are interested in a particular one, you can look at my playlist and see the playlist for that particular craft. Make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell icon that is next to the subscription button, and that way you can be notified when I come out with new videos. I usually come out with a video at least once a week, most often twice a week. Make sure you pay attention to that and come and see what's going on now, because you never know where life is going to take me. And I do have crafty dreams often, so I just do whatever the dream says to do. So when I'm not dream crafting, I'm making videos. And I just want to let you know that my goal is to keep my videos as short as possible for your sake. I know you're busy. And so if I do a 45-minute video, I will cut it down to 20 or 25. I try to keep my instructions as concise as possible and easy to understand. And I also try to pre-cut some of the papers, etc., to save doing all that on camera. And that way, you know, you don't have to waste a lot of time just watching me take a sip of my coffee or cutting paper. So thank you so much for stopping by. And again, hit that subscribe button.